Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Uma from Disney Descendants and Trusted Press. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay guys, and to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to choose to create this look. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it with this color. And then you're going to combine it with this one, make it the same color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this top. This is from the summer request. Finally, I got this top guys. And as soon as I saw this item, I immediately thought about Uma from Disney Descendant. Okay, and then for this top or this jacket, you're going to make it this color. Okay, you can follow the color I put on. And then you're going to put on this skirt. This is from the seashells item. And you're going to make it, you're going to apply this pattern for this skirt. And then this Ella skirt from the coats item. You're going to apply this pattern as well. And this jellyfish skirt, you're going to make it this color. And then you're going to make it glitter. This is from the VIP room. And the hat, this is also from the VIP room. You're going to make it this color. And then this belt from the VIP room. And then you're going to do little adjustment. Just adjust for the position. Okay. And for this belt, you're going to color it like this. And this dress from the currency item, you're going to choose skirt only and color it with this color. Then you're going to make it glitter. And then this necklace from VIP room, and you're going to make it this color. And then this boot, make it like this. Okay, and I think I have already mentioned all the items that you need to put on. And after that, you will have this Uma look from Disney Descendant. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!